Number 10. The Seiko SSC813 Prospex Solar Chronograph Watch is a striking blend of modern practicality and classic sport watch design, crafted to deliver precision timing in a compact and highly wearable form. At first glance, it stands out with its iconic panda dial layout, featuring a crisp white base contrasted by deep black subdials that immediately enhance legibility and give it a bold, racing-inspired character. The 39mm stainless steel case is perfectly proportioned, making it suitable for a wide range of wrist sizes while maintaining a strong wrist presence without feeling oversized. Its polished and brushed finishing adds depth and refinement, while the screw-down crown and solid case construction reinforce its durability and everyday reliability. Powering this timepiece is Seiko's V192 Solar Quartz Chronograph movement, which harnesses both natural and artificial light to keep the watch running efficiently, eliminating the need for regular battery changes. Once fully charged, it offers an impressive power reserve of approximately 6 months, ensuring consistent performance even in low-light conditions. Number 9. The Seiko Astron Nexter SBX C151 men's watch represents one of the most advanced expressions of modern horology, combining space-age technology with refined luxury design. At its core, this timepiece is powered by the highly sophisticated Caliber 5x83 GPS solar movement, which allows the watch to automatically receive time signals from GPS satellites and adjust itself to any time zone on Earth with exceptional accuracy. This eliminates the need for manual setting and ensures near-perfect precision wherever you travel, making it an ideal companion for global lifestyles. The solar charging system further enhances its practicality by converting both natural and artificial light into energy, giving the watch long-term autonomy without regular battery replacement. Design-wise, the SBX C151 carries a bold yet elegant aesthetic that reflects Seiko's Nexter philosophy of modern innovation. Its dial features a distinctive vertical subdial layout, giving it a dynamic and technical appearance while maintaining clarity and balance. The contrast between the main dial and subdials enhances readability, while luminous hands and markers ensure excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. Number 8. The Seiko Astron SSE045J1 men's black watch is a premium expression of advanced horology designed specifically for global travelers who value precision, durability, and modern innovation. At the heart of this timepiece lies the highly sophisticated GPS Solar Caliber 8x53 movement, which allows the watch to automatically connect to GPS satellites and adjust the time according to your exact location anywhere in the world. This technology ensures exceptional accuracy without the need for manual setting, making it a true companion for frequent flyers and international professionals. Powered entirely by light, the solar charging system eliminates the need for regular battery changes while offering long-lasting energy storage, ensuring reliable performance even after extended periods in darkness. The design of the SSE045J1 reflects a bold yet refined aesthetic, featuring a striking black dial that enhances its sophisticated and technical personality. The dual-time display functionality allows the wearer to track 2 different time zones simultaneously, a highly practical feature for managing global schedules. Number 7. The Seiko Prospex SPB077J1 is a powerful representation of Seiko's dive watch heritage, blending rugged tool watch functionality with refined modern craftsmanship. Designed as part of the 1968 automatic diver's modern reinterpretation, it draws inspiration from Seiko's iconic professional dive watches while upgrading them for contemporary use. At first glance, it delivers a bold and commanding wrist presence with its 44mm stainless steel case, featuring strong lines, a robust profile, and a professional-grade finish enhanced by Seiko's scratch-resistant hard coating. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds both functionality and safety for diving, while its deep black insert creates a striking contrast against the luminous markings. Inside, the SPB077J1 beats the reliable Caliber 6R15 automatic movement, which supports both automatic and manual winding, offering a power reserve of approximately 50 hours. This movement is known for its stability and practicality, delivering consistent performance for everyday wear as well as underwater exploration. The watch also includes a hacking seconds function, allowing precise time setting, and a date display positioned for quick readability, reinforcing its everyday usability beyond its dive watch identity. Number 6. The Seiko SBX-C109 Astron GPS Solar Men's Watch is a refined showcase of modern Japanese innovation, combining advanced satellite control technology with a bold, luxury sport design. Built around Seiko's highly capable Caliber 5x53 GPS solar movement, this timepiece can automatically connect to GPS satellites and adjust itself to any time zone on Earth with exceptional precision, making it an ideal companion for frequent travelers and professionals who demand absolute accuracy. Powered entirely by light, its solar charging system ensures long-term reliability by eliminating the need for battery replacement, while also offering an impressive power reserve that keeps the watch running smoothly even in low-light conditions. The design of the SBX-C109 reflects the futuristic identity of the Astron line, featuring a strong 42.7mm titanium case that is both lightweight and highly durable. The use of titanium not only improves comfort on the wrist but also enhances resistance against daily wear and corrosion, making it suitable for long-term use. Number 5. The Seiko Prospex Glacier SPB297J1 is a beautifully engineered dive watch that perfectly blends heritage inspiration with modern performance and artistic design. Part of the Save the Ocean Special Edition series, this timepiece draws its visual identity from the frozen textures of Antarctic glaciers, reflected in its stunning ice blue dial that changes character under different lighting conditions. The dial is the true highlight of the watch, featuring a finely textured surface that adds depth, realism, and a natural icy effect, making it one of the most visually striking models in the Prospex lineup. Its compact yet robust 40.5mm stainless steel case delivers a balanced wrist presence, offering both comfort and professional-grade durability, while the superhard coating enhances scratch resistance for long-term wear. Inside the SPB297J1 is the reliable caliber 6R35 automatic movement, which supports both automatic and manual winding, providing a strong power reserve of approximately 70 hours. This ensures the watch remains highly practical for daily use even when not worn for several days. Number 4. The Seiko Sportura FC Barcelona Chronograph Blue Dial Watch is a sporty and dynamic timepiece that celebrates both precision engineering and football-inspired design, created in collaboration with one of the world's most iconic football clubs. It carries a strong athletic identity, immediately recognizable through its bold blue dial that reflects FC Barcelona's signature colors, paired with contrasting subdials that enhance its chronograph functionality and visual depth. The overall design is energetic and modern, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a watch that connects sport, style, and performance in a single cohesive package. Built within a robust stainless steel case, the watch delivers a solid wrist presence while maintaining comfort for everyday wear. The Sportura collection is known for its motorsport-inspired aesthetics, and this model continues that tradition with a tachymeter scale on the bezel, allowing users to measure speed based on time and distance, an essential feature. Number 3. The Seiko Prospex SLA045J1 is a highly exclusive and professional-grade dive watch that represents the upper tier of Seiko's Prospex Marine Master lineage, combining technical excellence with refined Japanese craftsmanship. Designed as a limited edition release for select Asian markets, it carries a strong sense of rarity and collectability, with its production capped at only a few hundred pieces, making it a true enthusiast's timepiece. At first glance, the watch commands attention with its bold 44.3mm stainless steel case, which is engineered with a monoblock-style construction that enhances structural strength and underwater reliability. The case design is both muscular and purposeful, reflecting its identity as a serious saturation diver rather than a casual sports watch. Inside, the SLA045J1 beats the highly respected caliber 8L35 automatic movement, a near-Grand Seiko-level engine tuned specifically for dive watch performance. This movement operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour and offers a power reserve of approximately 50 hours, ensuring stable and reliable timekeeping even under demanding conditions. Number 2. The Seiko Prestige SRQ-03 Champagne Dial Men's Watch is a refined blend of classic dress watch elegance and sporty chronograph performance, showcasing Seiko's ability to merge traditional craftsmanship with modern mechanical engineering. As part of the Prestige chronograph lineup, this timepiece immediately stands out with its rich champagne-colored dial, which delivers a warm, luxurious tone that shifts beautifully under light, giving the watch a sophisticated and premium presence on the wrist. The dial layout is carefully balanced, with multiple subdials arranged in a clean chronograph configuration that enhances both visual symmetry and functional readability, making it suitable for both formal occasions and high-end everyday wear. At its heart, the SRQ-03 is powered by Seiko's advanced 8R series automatic chronograph movement, a high-performance mechanical engine known for its precision and smooth operation. This movement features a vertical clutch and column wheel architecture, which ensures crisp chronograph activation and stable timing accuracy without the stuttering often seen in lower-tier chronographs. Number 1. The Seiko SRPC44 Prospex Analog Display Automatic Watch is a bold and distinctive dive timepiece that carries the iconic turtle case design, known for its cushion-shaped structure and strong wrist presence. Built for durability and performance, it features a robust 45mm stainless steel case with a gold tone finish that gives it a striking and premium appearance while still maintaining its rugged toolwatch identity. The design is inspired by Seiko's long heritage in professional diving watches, combining vintage character with modern construction to create a watch that feels both classic and powerful on the wrist. At the heart of the SRPC44 is the reliable caliber 4R36 automatic movement, which supports both automatic and manual winding. This movement operates at 21,600 vibrations per hour and provides a power reserve of approximately 41 hours, ensuring dependable timekeeping for daily wear and underwater use. It also includes a hacking seconds function for precise time setting, along with a day-date display positioned at 3 o'clock, adding practical everyday functionality without disrupting the dial's